Hi, it's time to start repairing the Bobcat mini excavator, and as you might hear in my voice, I've had a really bad cold and also wearing my glasses instead of lenses, and also it makes me look a little bit more serious, so you might think I know what I'm doing here, but actually I'm not. This is just a test, and if it doesn't work, don't blame me. This is my machine. I don't recommend anyone doing this because it's a little bit shortcut. You will see what I'm talking about soon. This is the component with the most play in it, and as you can see it is quite a lot, and when all of this play gets transferred out on the boom and the stick, it gets a lot really sloppy, and it's not supposed to wear here because there are bushings over here and underneath that takes care of the sideward motion, but this is a locking bolt and it was broken. As you can see, it's just very short, so sometime this has started to move and wear, and there are no bushings here. So what I really should do is to send the machine out to someone with a line boring equipment, a line drilling equipment, and they can make this hole absolutely round, a little bit bigger, and then put bushings in. The problem is that it costs around 1,000 euro, and since this machine costs 7,000 euro, I'm not really interested in starting with that. So my plan is to heat up this metal here and then use the MIG welder, add some material here and also underneath. I've also purchased a new pin, which actually, you see it's still very bad, but it's not as bad as the last one. So my it doesn't have to move like this, so it doesn't have to be a very smooth area here. It only has to make sure it doesn't move. And if that doesn't work when I start using the machine, it might, do this again. But then I can always send it away and let someone drill this hole as it should be and put bushings in. So it's just a test, you might say. Test to save 1,000 euros, and which is roughly $1,000. So let's start. Battery terminal is disconnected. I got some moist blankets here if I get any spatter. as you can see, there is still a little bit of play, but it is now between the bushing here and the pin, and it's not in here. As you can see, this pin, it doesn't move anything in here. So I will see if it holds up. I don't know. I will start to use it soon, so I think it will be very good. And there's no grease in here either, so this will be a little bit less when it's properly greased. So we'll see if it works. It seems promising.